Ichroma II COVID-19 presentation. Turn on your Ichroma II. Kit COVID-19 unboxing. Instruction for use. ID chip. Verify that the lot number match together between detection buffers and the ID chip. Take one detection buffer and put it in the tube rack. Verify that the diluent vial and ID chip lot number match together correctly. Verify that the cartridge lot number and ID chip match together before running the test. Prepare your workstation before running the test. Choose the desired mode. In the video, we use the single mode test. Insert the ID chip into your Ichroma II. Insert the cartridge into your Ichroma II. Insert the relevant data for the test, patient age, gender, etc. Select the sample type you will use. Open the diluent vial. Pipette 150 microliter and dispose it into the detection buffer tube, the tube containing the granule. Mix well 10-15 times by pipetting until the granule is well dissolved. Pipette 10 microliter of sample and dispose it into the detection buffer. Mix well by shaking 10 times. Insert the cartridge into your Ichroma. Dispense 75 microliter of the sample mixture onto the cartridge well. Push the cartridge completely into the holder. Press start to run the test. The incubation time is 10 minutes. After incubation time, the device will read the test and display the result on the screen. IgG and IgM are both positive. Thank you for watching i-Chroma II COVID-19 procedure. If you have any question, please contact ts@bodytech.co.kr.